Welcome to the world of luxury skincare. Today, we're diving into the BelVi Luxury Papaya Set, a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their daily skincare routine. This premium collection is infused with natural papaya extract that brightens, smooths, and rejuvenates your skin, giving you a radiant glow. Let's take a closer look at the 5 essential products included in this luxurious set that'll transform your skincare routine. First, we have the papaya soap that gently cleanses and purifies your skin, removing dirt and impurities effectively. Next up is the whitening cream, designed to deeply hydrate while reducing the appearance of discoloration, leaving your skin flawless. The facial serum is lightweight yet powerful, targeting dark spots and enhancing skin brightness for a radiant complexion. Then we have the body oil, intensely nourishing to leave your skin feeling silky smooth and glowing all day long. Lastly, the body lotion locks in moisture and improves elasticity with a delightful tropical fragrance that you will love. For this premium papaya set, it's just $77. An investment in your skin is an investment in yourself. If you're ready to transform your skin, check the link in the description below to grab your BelVi Luxury Papaya Set.